Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. It's Super Simple Sunday. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by and spend a portion of your day with me. And thank you to everyone, and I do mean everyone, who is supporting my channel in a positive way. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So today is Super Simple Sunday, and we are going to take the scraps that we had left over from making this box to make a really awesome gift card holder. So simple, so easy. That's why it is today's Super Simple Sunday craft. And if you're looking for the video on how to make this box, I will have it linked in the description box below. But again, it's a large box, 8.5 by 8.5 by 8. So when making that box top, we had some considerable scrap left over. We're not going to waste it. We are going to turn it into a really super sweet gift card holder. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at this very cute, super simple Sunday project. And it is just that, super and simple. Won't take us any time to make it at all. But it's a tri-fold gift card wallet. And we're going to make it using the leftovers from the boxes that we've been making this week. All right, y'all, when I made the lid for the large box top, I used the boxes that were 11 by 17. And that left me with a piece of 11 by about 5 3/4 of an inch, 5 5/8 of an inch, close to that, in scrap. And that's 11 inches across with the flaps folded in, and 5 3/4 or 5 5/8 this way with the flap folded up. So that's what we're going to be working with today. I'll give you the measurements after we deconstruct in just a minute. Going to remove this corner piece here. And then we're going to put it in our trimmer, and we're going to trim this down to 11 3/4 of an inch with the flaps open. So if you don't have poster board, you can make this project using paper that is 11 3/4 of an inch by 8 1/4. And so I have a natural score mark here at 2.5. We're going to keep that. Then we're going to make a score at 6, all the way down, and at 9 3/4. So with your piece in on the 11 3/4 inch side, you're going to score at 2.5, at 6, and at 9 3/4. And for those of you who don't have the box, turn it to the 8 1/4 inch side and score at 2.5. And so now I'm just going to fold and burnish my scores. And guys, I'm getting a lot of requests for alternative measurements to the ones that I'm offering. If I'm making a project and the size I'm offering doesn't work for you, then you'll need to tweak it to make it work for you. Unfortunately, there's not enough of me to be able to jump in and offer individual customized measurements and alternatives to the projects that I am offering. So if you need this in a larger size or you want it in a smaller size, just play around with these measurements and then make it work for you. So here's what we're going to do. I am going to take my glue. We're going to place some glue on the 2 edges of this flap. We're going to fold that over to create a pocket. And now I'm going to trim away this bottom piece here. And having that pocket there is a nice little guide, so I'll know where to cut. Then here on this piece, I am going to do a little angle right there. And then on this piece, I am just going to cut straight down on that tab. And we are going to remove this piece. So now we can take this piece. The words are going to be upside down. That's unavoidable if you're using a directional print on this type of a project. I am going to take my glue, place my glue on this end only, And just like that, y'all, I have a folio for my gift card. Now it's just a matter of decorating it. But before I do, I am just going to angle in here a little bit on that because I like the way that that looks. You can also do it here at the top, which I think I'm going to do on this one. And now you'll have that look on your folio. So y'all, that is it for making this wonderful little holder. But I am just going to take some cut aparts and tuck them in so that you can see this is where you would tuck your gift cards. You could actually have a cut apart in where you could write a message. You can tuck cash in here, so many different things. I don't want to leave this bare like this, so we are going to add some stickers to decorate this. So I think I'm going to take this sticker and put that one right there. Then we're going to find something for the side just to add a little decorative element. And so then I'm going to take ho, 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 punch out these O's, and we're going to put that right here. If you need a last minute gift card holder or a cash holder, don't run out and buy one. Just look to your scraps, pull those out, and turn them into a sweet little gift card holder. That is exactly what we've done here. We are using scrap to make this, but look how stinking cute this is. We didn't even worry about covering the inside with the liner because that natural look works. So then to close it, I have these strips of baker's twine that I had cut out for another project, and I had some left over. So I am just going to take this, and I'm going to take 2 of them. I'm going to tie a nice little bow. We don't always have to do a lot of embellishing. Sometimes the simplest is the best. And so there we have it, y'all. We have another super sweet gift card holder made using leftover scraps. I am going to open this one so we can have another look at it. You guys saw how simple that was to make, but look how really stinking cute they are. We didn't have to do a lot of cuts or special folding. It's all about keeping it simple on Super Simple Sunday. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this project. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.